In English grammar there are 25 auxiliaries. 25 auxiliaries. Auxiliaries means helping verbs. Helping verbs. Without these you can't speak English or write English. Helping verbs. Helping verbs. Which are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might. These are models. May, might, and must also include this. How many there? These are models. Another one, B forms. B forms are, there are 8. One is B. B was being. B was being. B was being. 4. Another one, R were being. Then R were being. Is was being. There are 4 forms only. The next, what is that? I am was being. Out of these are 16. There are only 8 are as B forms. B forms means B means undu. Another one, possessive verbs. What are these possessive verbs? Possessive SIV. Possessive verbs. Possessive verbs are as, had, having, and having. Those are possessive verbs. Another action verbs are do, does, did. Do, does, did. Do, does, did.